In this video, we demonstrate how to buy shares of Vista Gold Corp and explain each step clearly for educational use. Vista Gold Corp is a gold exploration and development company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker VGZ, and this content is for learning purposes only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you must use a broker, and we use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker VGZ to find the correct listing. Make sure you select the Vista Gold Corp share listed on NASDAQ to avoid similar names. On the asset page, you will find basic company information and a price chart to review recent movements. Confirm the company name, exchange, and ticker to ensure this is the correct stock. To invest, click the Trade or Buy button, choose the amount you want to allocate, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, you can place a pending order for the next session, and if your funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before the order completes. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it over time. For the platform used in this example, see the link in the description.